It's biscuit time!
Yep.
Yummy! Likes that flavour. Oh yeah, loves his biscuits. Oh, he's getting longer.
He's getting longer, isn't he?
Yeah, he's not developing.
Still just a little cutie, aren't you?
No, he likes it in your hand.
I know, I was just trying my luck.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey, I was trying my luck.
What are you up to now? Biscuit. He was too cute.
Jim Biscuit. Lettuce.
He's got too much choice. He's got porridge there, he's got lettuce, biscuits.
Yep.
You.
Home.
Yep.
And TV.
Gotta have TV, gotta have your mermaids. Gotta have your mermaids. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Teeny, what are you doing? Teeny weens. Teeny weeny weeny. Hello, Teeny. Hello, Teeny. Back to lettuce.
What happens?
Mermaids!
Not interested.
Alright, too much food and biscuits.
Yep.
Food and biscuits. Hello, food and biscuits. Ah, he's after.
Yes. No, you don't.
Teeny tiny. Aww.
Oh, Biscuit.
Yeah, gonna have biscuit again.
Well, you want the other end, do you?
No, he's gotta have the end where it's been.
Yeah, but he deliberately went to the other end. That lettuce.
Good boy, Teeny. Eat so you become big and strong, but in miniature.
Big is relative.
It's relative to big. Oh, you like Teeny? Hey? Looks like a 2 or 3 week old little ducky, but the attitude of an 8 week old.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Hey, we're coming back out now.
No, wants to be fed.
You really want delivery to your door?
Yep. Oh, good boy, Teeny.